Eminence, Missouri, founded in 1841 as the county seat of Shannon County, and named for George Pegleg Shannon of the Lewis and Clark expedition. But today's town isn't the original Eminence. The first settlement stood about 12 miles north along the current river. During the Civil War, guerrilla violence devastated the region, and by 1863, the courthouse and much of Old Eminence had been destroyed. Rather than rebuild, the county relocated the town to its current home on the Jacks Fork River in 1868. Even then, misfortunes seemed to follow. The Shannon County Courthouse burned repeatedly in 1871, 1893, and again in 1938, inspiring generations of locals to whisper that the courthouse grounds were cursed. As the logging era faded, landmarks like Alley Mill, built in 1893 to 1894, became symbols of the community, before the creation of the Ozark National Scenic Riverways transformed Eminence into one of Missouri's premier outdoor destinations. But its history isn't without tragedy. In 1948, the quiet of Eminence was shattered when beloved shopkeepers, Fred and Minnie Kroeger, were tragically taken too soon. Fred was discovered on a cot inside the family's variety store, while Minnie was found behind a couch in their home. The case stunned the community when their teenage daughter, Betty Jane Kroeger, confessed. Investigators said she cleaned the crime scenes and bought gasoline in an attempt to burn both properties before her arrest, leaving one of the darkest chapters in the town's history. Decades later, Eminence again found itself in the spotlight. As the Shannon County seat, it is home to the courthouse, sheriff's office, and county jail. During 2025 and 2026, state investigations by the Missouri Attorney General's Office and the Missouri State Highway Patrol led to criminal charges against several sheriff's office employees, involving allegations of misconduct, abuse of authority, and document falsification. At the same time, the Shannon County Commission filed legal action against Sheriff Stephen Hogan over budget disputes and staffing decisions, prompting an emergency performance audit by the Missouri State Auditor. The town also saw renewed attention after the 2018 death of Robbie Kreitz. Initially ruled an accidental drowning, the case was reopened years later by state investigators, who determined foul play. The resulting indictments in 2026 renewed questions about the original investigation and drew statewide attention. And then come the stories the Ozarks are famous for. Visitors to Alley Mill have long reported seeing a shadowy figure in the upper windows, hearing phantom footsteps, and even the sound of mill machinery after dark. The abandoned site of Old Eminence is said by some to echo with distant voices and phantom gunfire, reminders of the Civil War violence that once scarred these hills. Along the Jacks Fork River, generations of locals have shared tales of Old Blue, a mysterious blue light drifting through the fog on quiet nights. Others tell of strange wilderness omens, from barred owls said to foretell misfortune to sightings of a phantom black panther. Hunters claim the enormous shadow-like cat disappears without leaving tracks, while its chilling screams echo through the forest like a woman calling for help. Whether you believe the legends or not, one thing is certain. Eminence is a place where history, tragedy, public controversy, and Ozark folklore have become impossible to separate. Where would you like me to roam next? Let me know in the comments.